Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with a My Creative Time Design Team Project share. Today I will be using the Hello Spring paper pack, and it is Hello Spring 2025. Oh, and I'm using the yellows. I'm also using the Wagon Sentiment stamp and dies, and it's from her 150th release. And I am using Hope This Card Brightens Your Day, along with the dies on the side. I'm also using this 3.75 by 4.75 card base layer dies, and this is where it all began. And I'm using both of these right here, as well as the card base layer. And then from the daisy dies, I'm using these and these, as well as the big daisy dies. And I'm also using the heart centers. Is the 3.75 by 4.75 envelope die set, and that's from the 150th release as well. And I'm using just the outer envelope, and of course the flap to close it, and this die here. And then I'm also using the Leaf Wagon add-ons plate dies from her 150th release as well. So I'm using a couple of these here, I think this and this. And here's what I created. This is the card that I made. There goes that sentiment along with the dies that I use. Hope this card brightens your day. I did use the little paper clip there. And I layer up the flowers twice, pop the leaves down, and I thought I would use that paper in the same color for the top layer as well as the bottom layer, and then break it up with that black in the center. I thought that looked really nice. And in the inside, I also used a layer from that card base die. So I thought that was really cute. Then I used the opposite side of this paper to lay on top of the envelope, and I just left it blank, but it does have like a little writing on there. I'm not sure if you see like the stamp seal that's on there as well. Really cute. And then there goes the back side of that, and it does fit in the envelope very nicely. It's enough room, and this time I did not use 110-pound cardstock. It's like a 60-pound weight cardstock, so it will fit in there very nicely. But I really like how it turned out. Make sure you head over to my Creative Time store if you'd like to purchase any of these items. You may use my code MOE for 10% off your total purchase, or 15% off on release weekends. And then I'll have everyone's links down below. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.